Good morning, everyone. Hello, my survivors. How are you doing today? I'm so glad that you came back to my channel. Happy Mother's Day. How are you guys doing? What are your plans today for Mother's Day? I hope you're spending time with your mom and your family. Today's video is just going to be about what do you have in your bag when you go to chemotherapy. So if you know someone who's going to be going through treatment, or even if you're going through treatment, you're probably wondering, what should I bring to my appointments? So it's very important to bring things to your appointment because sometimes you could be there for 3 hours or longer. I know someone that their treatment takes 9 hours. So that's a long time to be in one place. So you might want to bring some things to entertain yourself, or maybe to entertain the person that's coming along with you. So first, of course, is you want to have a bag. So I have a bag right here. And so you just want to put things in there. It could be a pretty big bag, or it could be a small bag. It's up to you and what you want to bring. So some of the things that you might want to bring to your appointment is a blanket. I have a blanket right here. So you want to put that in your bag because sometimes in the hospital or in your treatment center, it could get cold. And plus, whenever you're going through treatment, you're cold, hot, cold, hot. So you want to have a blanket. They have blankets there, and the blankets there are really good too because they're warm already. But sometimes you might want to just have your own blanket because you like the smell. When you're going through treatment, smells is something that you will go through and are not very pleasant sometimes. Sometimes you'll be able to smell things, sometimes you won't. Sometimes smells will bother you. So you definitely want to have a blanket. Another thing is a jacket. You want to bring also, and put that in your bag. You might also want to bring a head pillow. This is just something to make you more comfortable while you're sitting in the chair getting your treatment. So you want to put that in your bag also. You want to bring snacks. So I have some popcorn here. You can just bring your favorite snacks, whatever that is, bring that as well because you will want something to snack on while you're there. They will also have snacks there like crackers, granola bars, juice, water, and things like that. But if you have your own snacks that you want to bring that you like to eat and you don't want those, then bring that. Also bring a water bottle, and they will have water there, but you might want to drink from your own water bottle, so bring that if you do, especially if you're trying to keep track of how much water you're drinking for the day. Slippers or your house shoes would be something that you would want to bring just so you can get more comfortable. Socks, your favorite socks from home, the ones that are soft and fuzzy or cotton or whatever kind of material you like, that would be a great idea to also bring to your appointment. Mints. You want to bring some mints to your appointment, so sometimes you might want something sweet to suck on, or you might want to just freshen up your breath. So mints is good. Also, mints help with nausea. Some of the medication you're taking will make you sick on the stomach or feel nauseated. Peppermints help with that feeling. Also, I have mouthwash here. This one is very good because it's for dry mouth. Some of the treatment that you will be getting will make you have mouth sores or dry mouth. And I've noticed that using this particular brand prevented me from getting any mouth sores. It's already a hard enough issue with eating foods and food not really tasting the same going through treatment, and you definitely don't want to have any mouth sores. Next, you want to bring notepads or something to make a diary and keep track of your symptoms or what you're feeling. You might want to have that. Or a notebook just to write things down for your thoughts. Of course, you want to bring your Bible. You can bring puzzles, other books that you might want to read. Also keep in mind, I know at the center I went to, they had a TV there with movies, or you can also watch television, but you might not want to do that. If you have a specific movie that you do want to watch, you can also bring your iPad. That will be a great idea. Also, some lotion for your hands, because you're going to be washing your hands a lot, especially right now with the coronavirus going on. Washing our hands is very important. So you want to bring some lotion, some hand sanitizer, also some wipes, some Clorox wipes, so alcohol wipes, just to clean things down and sanitize. You definitely do not want to forget your lip gloss because your lips will get dry. So you want to put that in your bag also. Earphones or headphones or whatever you like to listen to your music on or your movies. You want to have something to put on your ears so you don't interrupt other people. So earphones would be great. Also, you want a hat to put on your head because with a bald head, your head will get cold. So you want to put a hat on to keep your head warm. Also, I think we already talked about socks, but these were my socks. And then depending on which treatment you're getting, you also might want to bring ice packs. So these are the ice packs that I have for my hands. And then you have some for your feet. So you can just put these inside of your socks, and you can put this inside of like some gloves. And it just prevents you from having neuropathy later. I still develop neuropathy even though I wore my ice packs, but it's supposed to help you from getting it so bad. So I would definitely recommend doing that. You can also bring games like card games, Uno, or things like that you might want to do. Bring your phone charger in case your battery dies. You want to have your cell phone, of course, so you want to be able to charge that if needed. Let me see what else. I think that's about all. So those are some of the things that you would like to bring to your chemo appointment. If you guys have any questions or any concerns or if you have any other ideas that you want to share with other people, please put it down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell and like. Thank you.